Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G42, and today I'll show you how you can enable your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen. Swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles and locate the Do Not Disturb mode. For me, it is on the first page right over here, but if you can't see it on the same page, you could swipe to the left and this will show you a second page. Anyway, once you find this toggle, if you're doing this the first time around, I recommend holding it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will actually function when you enable it. Now, to quickly touch upon just a couple of the important options here and not all of them, we have people, which will allow you to select who can call you or message you. We have a schedule mode, which will allow you to set a fully automatic mode, so it will turn on and off Do Not Disturb mode at a provided day of the week and time. And then we also have the duration for quick settings. This allows you to choose what happens when you press on the toggle. By default, it will be set to until turn off, but I do recommend changing it to a timed one and, for instance, making it something a little bit longer, like 4 hours as an example. The reason I recommend enabling this is because, at least for me, I would probably enable it and forget about it. So when I set this up, even when I enable it and forget about it, the device will turn it off after 4 hours of it running. So even though I forgot about it, the phone will do it for me, which is pretty nice. Otherwise, this mode would be running indefinitely till you remember about it and turn it off yourself. So you can obviously go over the rest of the settings right here, but those are the couple ones that I find most important. So now we can close this. Let's find the toggle once again, tap on it, and there we go. It is now enabled. It's also telling us that it's going to be running until 8:18 p.m. because of the 4-hour timer. But I can still turn it off myself if I choose to do so. So let's say I want to get rid of it now. Let's find the toggle, tap on it, and voila, it's now off. So there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.